Hello guys, I'm Riku from PrintKK. This is another episode of FAQs. In today's video, I'll be focused on the return policy and some general questions our customers have. What if there's a logistics issue of my product? If your parcel is lost, logistics stagnated for more than 20 days, or damaged or shipped to a wrong address, it shall be logistics issue. The logistics stagnation created by the natural disasters and the force factors, it is not within the scope of responsibility. What if there's a quality issue of my product? Quality issue can be divided into print quality issue and product quality issue. Print quality. Blurry print. Edges of the print are out of the focus, not distinct. Design details are fuzzy and do not represent the quality of the print file and distorted. Design placement issue. Too low, too high. Right, left, wrong area. Crooked, upside down. The placement of the printing design does not match the designed placement to the extent that is become noticeable by the end customer, and the initial design is distorted. Peeling print. Print coming off in pieces. Scaling issue. Design print too large or too small to the extent when it becomes noticeable to the end customer and noticeably differs from the artwork. Product quality. Broken, holes, mechanical, torn. Item arrived flawed due to the provider or the carrier's act or omission, including but not limited to broken mugs, garments with holes or torn. Items have mechanical issues, such as a poor functioning zipper or non-functioning clock. Stains, obvious ink spots, smears, or any other unknown stains on the garment or item that do not exist on the artwork and the design. Underbase issue, white underbase visible either on the edges or on the print. What materials are needed for the after-sales service? Order information. Please provide your order number and email address used for the purchase. This information helps us quickly locate your order details and expedite the process. Document the issue. Clear photos. Take clear photos of the product, focusing on the areas with issue. For size-related discrepancies, it is beneficial to include a photo that accurately shows the actual size of the product. This will help us understand the problem better and offer the most appropriate solution. Submit your request. Once you have gathered the necessary information and photos, please contact our customer service team. We're committed to responding to your request as swiftly as possible. How long does the refund take? For any refund issue, PrintKK will process the refund within 3 business days. The time for the refunding to the account depending on the payment method. How long does the replace take? For any replace issue, PrintKK will arrange replace issue within 1 day. Fulfillment time and the shipping time depending on your order production time and your shipping destination. What if my customer returns product because of unsatisfaction? If your customer is not satisfied with the product due to the design issue or quality issue, please contact us for after-sales service. How long can I apply after-sales service? All claims for a misprinted, damaged, or defective item must be submitted within 7 days of receiving the product. This time frame ensures that we can address this issue promptly and effectively. Returns or replace. We're listing all the detailed information on our website /help center, returns or replace. You can head over to our website to check it out.